Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to learn about how to turn on vacation mode on Gmail in our iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, find the Gmail app on your home screen. Now click on it. Now you are in your Gmail account. There you can see there are 3 lines on the top left corner. Simply tap on it. Now here you can see this type of face. Now scroll down a little bit. Now here you can see the settings badge. Now click on it. Next, scroll down a little bit. Now here you can see the vacation responder. Simply select it. Finally, you can turn on the vacation responder. Here you can also select the first date and the last date that you want to turn on the vacation mode, like this. Here you can also type the subject that you want to message. You can also write the message that you want to send to the person, like this. Here you can also find the option to send only to my contacts. You can also turn it on if you only want to send to your contacts. Now you can save it. And that's how it is easy to turn on your vacation responder in Gmail on an iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.